Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. So today what we're going to do is we're going to create a folder and we're going to create a file inside that folder. Then we're going to lock the folder and then we're going to unlock the folder, and we're going to do it all in one click. So first of all, what you need to do is import OS and import time here modules. Then create a variable called path. And I've created the variable, and basically I've stored my desktop path in it. So that's going to be C users mark desktop. That's my desktop path. Your desktop path is going to be different to this, so you'll have to find out what your own unique desktop path is. Then we use the OS CHDIR path. So OS change the directory to that path. Now I've come down here and I've created the first function. Just zoom in a little bit there for you. That's the first function, and it's called create folder. So I've used the print command here, and I've also used fstring to interpolate the path here. So it prints out creating a folder here, and it will interpolate that path here, C users mark desktop. Then we've created a variable and assigned it to A. So A is going to be the name of the folder. Then we use the command os.mkdir folder name. So we're told the system to make a directory called folder name, which will be A here, which is this. Okay, we're going to come down onto the next function. The next function is called create file. Again, what we've done, we've created a variable called path, and we've put the desktop path in, C users mark desktop, and then /A, because we want to be in this directory because we're going to create a file in this directory. And to do that, we have to change the directory. So it's os.chdr path. We're going to change it to that path there. So now we will be in this directory. So once we're in this directory, we're going to create a text file. So I created a variable here called f and assigned it to open new.txt. That's the name of the text, and the W flag here to create the text file and to write to it. Then we've used f.write, and inside the text file we simply write hello, and then f.close to close the file afterwards. Now what we're going to do is we're going to lock the folder. So I printed out a message to the user telling the user locking folder so they know what's going on. I've used the time module here, time.sleep, and I've entered 1 in it. 1 means 1 second. So it's going to pause the program for 1 second. Then again we put the path here and the path to the file, and then we've created a variable called lock folder, and we use the fstring and we use icalcs and the path of that, and the command is deny everyone with the F here, so that will lock the folder. And then we use os.system to lock the folder. Right, so the folder is now locked, and of course we want to unlock the folder. So what we do is we print unlocking folder time.sleep for 1 second, and then of course we put the path to that folder, and then again we create a variable called unlock folder using the icalcs and then the path to that folder, and then we've used the command grant everyone, which will help to open it. Then we've used os.system unlock this folder here. Okay, to run all these functions, first of all I've just named them. So create folder, create file, lock folder, unlock folder. So it'll start off, it'll run create folder, then if there's no problem it'll go to create file. If there's no problem it'll go to lock folder, and if there's no problem it'll go to unlock folder. So let's run the program. Okay, so there we go. So creating a folder here, C users mark desktop, and then it's telling us locking the folder, and that's the process folder there. It always says failed processing 0 files. It always says that, but it hasn't. And then we unlock the folder. Again, we get the same message, and let's have a look. So on here we've got A. That should be unlocked, and we've got the new file in there with the message. Okay, now we're going to try something different. So I'm just going to show you this. So we want to lock the folder, so I'll show you that. Okay, so let's just knock those two out there. Let's just knock that one out there. Let's save it. Okay, let's run it. Locking folder. Okay, let's see if the folder is locked. Should be. Click on it, and there you go, it's locked. Okay, so now all I want to do is to unlock the folder. So unlock folder, save it. Let's run the program. Unlocking folder, there we go. Let's have a look. Should have unlocked it. There we go, we're in the folder again. So there you go, folks. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you enjoyed that. And remember, if you're not already subscribed to the channel, make sure you hit the subscription button below. And I'll catch you guys in another video. Bye-bye.